Imagine waking up one morning feeling lighter, calmer, and more energized, not because you changed everything about your life overnight, but because your body finally feels supported from the inside out. And you begin to realize that many of the small daily discomforts people accept as normal, bloating, low energy, irregular digestion, sluggish mornings, or constant cravings, often trace back to one overlooked system quietly working behind the scenes every single day, your gut. And while gut health might sound complex or intimidating, the truth is that supporting it doesn't require extreme diets, expensive supplements, or complicated routines, but rather a series of gentle, consistent habits that work together over time to help your body feel more balanced, comfortable, and resilient. And today, we're going to explore 5 simple daily habits that naturally support gut health in a beginner-friendly way. Habits that fit into real life, don't require perfection, and focus on awareness rather than control. Because the gut isn't just about digestion, it's connected to energy levels, mood, immune support, and how your body responds to stress. And when your gut feels supported, many other systems quietly benefit as well. So let's begin with the first and most foundational habit, hydration. Because your digestive system relies on adequate fluids to move food smoothly through the gut, support nutrient absorption, and maintain overall comfort. And while hydration doesn't mean forcing yourself to drink excessive amounts of water all at once, it does mean creating a gentle rhythm throughout the day, starting with a glass of water in the morning after waking, which helps rehydrate the body after sleep and signals your digestive system to begin its daily processes. And throughout the day, sipping water consistently rather than waiting until you feel extremely thirsty can help support regularity and reduce that heavy, sluggish feeling many people experience when hydration is low. And for those who struggle with plain water, adding natural flavor like lemon slices, cucumber, or herbs can make hydration feel more enjoyable and sustainable, turning it into a habit rather than a chore. The second habit that plays a powerful role in gut health is eating slowly and mindfully, something that sounds simple but is often overlooked in busy modern life, because digestion doesn't begin in the stomach, it begins in the mouth. And when you rush meals, eat while distracted, or barely chew your food, your digestive system has to work harder later, often leading to discomfort, bloating, or feeling overly full. Whereas slowing down, chewing thoroughly, and being present during meals allows your body to properly break down food, send the right signals to digestive enzymes, and recognize when you're comfortably satisfied rather than overly stuffed. And mindful eating isn't about rules or restrictions, but about reconnecting with your body's natural cues, noticing textures, flavors, and fullness signals, which over time can support a calmer, more efficient digestive experience. The third daily habit that supports gut health is including fiber-rich foods regularly, not in extreme amounts or sudden changes, but gradually and consistently, because fiber acts as a gentle support for digestion, helping food move through the gut while also supporting the balance of gut microorganisms that thrive on plant-based fibers. And foods like vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds naturally contain fiber that fits easily into everyday meals, and rather than focusing on numbers or tracking intake, a simple approach is to aim for variety and color on your plate, adding 1 or 2 fiber-rich foods to each meal in a way that feels enjoyable rather than forced, because sudden increases can cause discomfort, while gradual, steady inclusion allows your body to adapt comfortably over time. The fourth habit involves daily movement, not intense exercise or rigid workout schedules, but gentle physical activity that encourages natural digestive motion, because the gut responds positively to movement, which helps stimulate digestion, reduce feelings of heaviness after meals, and support regular bowel patterns. And simple activities like walking, stretching, light yoga, or even standing and moving regularly throughout the day can make a noticeable difference over time, especially when paired with mindful breathing. And movement doesn't have to be long or exhausting to be effective. Even short, consistent sessions help create a rhythm that supports overall gut comfort and body awareness. The fifth and often underestimated habit is managing daily stress, because the gut and the nervous system are closely connected, and emotional tension, constant pressure, or mental overload can directly affect digestion, appetite, and comfort, sometimes leading to irregular patterns or discomfort without any obvious dietary cause. And while stress is a natural part of life, creating small daily moments of calm can help support gut balance by allowing the body to shift out of constant alert mode, whether that's through slow breathing, quiet breaks, journaling, listening to calming sounds, spending time outdoors, or simply giving yourself permission to pause without guilt. And over time, these moments of calm signal safety to the body, allowing digestion to function more smoothly. Beyond these 5 core habits, it's important to understand that gut health isn't about perfection or strict control, but about consistency and patience, because the gut responds gradually to supportive habits, and progress often looks subtle. Fewer uncomfortable days, steadier energy, improved awareness of how foods and routines affect you, rather than dramatic overnight changes. And this is why listening to your body matters more than following rigid rules, because everyone's digestive experience is unique, shaped by lifestyle, routine, culture, and individual sensitivity. And learning what supports your comfort is a process rather than a destination. Another supportive practice that works alongside these habits is regular meal timing, because eating at consistent times helps your digestive system anticipate and prepare for food, creating a predictable rhythm that many people find improves comfort and reduces irregular patterns. And while flexibility is part of real life, having a general structure can help your body feel more balanced throughout the day. Sleep also plays a quiet but powerful role in gut health, because quality rest allows the body to repair and regulate systems overnight, including digestion. And simple sleep-supportive habits like consistent bedtimes, dim lighting in the evening, and reducing late-night stimulation can indirectly support gut comfort by allowing your nervous system to reset. It's also worth noting the role of food variety, because eating a wide range of foods exposes your gut to different fibers and nutrients, supporting balance and adaptability. And rather than labeling foods as good or bad, focusing on balance and moderation allows flexibility while still supporting overall well-being. Another gentle habit involves paying attention to how your body responds, not with judgment, but with curiosity, noticing which foods make you feel energized, heavy, or comfortable, and adjusting gradually based on experience rather than fear, because gut health improves most when approached with patience and self-trust rather than restriction. Hydration, mindful eating, fiber inclusion, movement, and stress management work together like a system, each supporting the others, and when practiced consistently, they create an internal environment that feels more stable, comfortable, and responsive, even when life becomes busy or unpredictable. It's also important to remember that supporting gut health doesn't mean eliminating enjoyment from eating, because pleasure and relaxation during meals can positively influence digestion, reminding us that wellness includes emotional experience as much as physical habits. As we bring everything together, imagine your gut as a garden that responds to daily care rather than sudden changes, where gentle watering, regular attention, and patience allow things to grow steadily over time. And while challenges may still arise, having these simple habits in place creates a foundation that helps your body adapt more easily. These 5 daily habits, staying hydrated, eating mindfully, including fiber-rich foods, moving regularly, and managing stress, don't demand perfection, only presence. And when practiced consistently, they quietly support not just gut comfort, but overall well-being,
helping you feel more connected to your body and more confident in your daily routines. And as you reflect on these ideas, consider starting with just one habit that feels realistic and supportive for you right now, because meaningful change often begins with the smallest, simplest steps taken consistently, day after day, allowing your body the time and care it needs to feel balanced from the inside out.